Pore detox before after deep blackhead removal results. Many people deal with clogged pores that slowly fill with oil, dead skin cells, and everyday impurities. Over time, this buildup turns into blackheads that become visible on the skin surface. In this video, we are showing a pore detox before and after transformation, where deep blackheads are carefully removed to reveal cleaner and healthier looking skin. Blackheads form when pores stay open and the trapped oil inside reacts with oxygen in the air. This process causes the material inside the pore to darken, creating the familiar black dot on the skin. During a deep pore detox, these clogged pores are gently cleaned to remove the hardened buildup and allow the skin to breathe again. The deep cleansing process begins by preparing the skin so the pores become softer and easier to clean. Once the skin is ready, a professional extraction tool is carefully used to press around the pore and release the blackhead. Watching this deep blackhead removal process can be very satisfying because each extraction reveals a cleaner pore underneath. One of the most interesting parts of this video is the before and after pore detox result. Before the treatment, the pores appear clogged and uneven, but after the deep extraction process, the skin surface looks smoother and clearer. These visible transformations are why pore detox videos are so popular in skincare content. After the deep blackhead removal, the skin may look slightly red because of the pressure used during extraction. This is normal and usually fades quickly when the skin is properly soothed. Applying calming skincare products helps the skin recover after the deep pore detox treatment. Maintaining clear pores requires a consistent skincare routine. Regular cleansing, gentle exfoliation, and oil-controlling products can help prevent future buildup. When done correctly, these steps reduce the chances of clogged pores and help maintain the results of a deep pore detox transformation. If you enjoy watching pore detox transformations and deep blackhead removal results, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more satisfying skincare content. These videos show how proper pore cleansing can make a big difference in the appearance and health of the skin. If you found this pore detox transformation satisfying, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more deep pore cleaning and blackhead removal results. Also comment below and tell us, was the before and after difference satisfying to watch?